The State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, or Scpcr, has condemned the alleged sexual assault of 15 minors by a person from a village in West Khasi Hills. Scpcr chairperson Yamonlang Siem told reporters on Tuesday that the district protection officers along with the police are on the field to find out the details of the case. Siem also informed that she will be visiting the village along with members of the commission, most likely next week. The Scpcr chairperson added that the news has shocked the people and there is a lot of grief considering the pain and agony of the victimized children.
We have a number of programs for schools this week. We're really tied up. We have some inspections still, but most likely, hopefully, next week. We're just hoping, because the sooner the better. While it's still fresh, we'd like to meet with all those people. You know? So then maybe we can have a better understanding, and we can perhaps have some clues and reasons as to why. One can never know reasons actually, but one can come to some conclusion that these are the vulnerabilities and how we can best deal with them. And I appeal to all villages that should be aware and be mindful of where the children, keep track of their children.
Under Environment